addition of mixed fraction. So I already finished making videos about addition of similar fractions and dissimilar fractions. Now let's proceed to the mixed fractions. Now these are the examples of mixed fractions. Mixed fractions has one whole number and proper fraction. So let us try these examples. Number one is 1/3 plus 1 and 1/2. So how to solve this mixed fraction? Now first of all, let us add the whole numbers. 2 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now as you notice, 1/3 and 1/2 is dissimilar fraction. So what we need to do is to get their least common denominator. Okay, so how to get the least common denominator? Just copy the 3 and 2 and get their least common multiple. So 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Okay, so why is it that mauni nga number ato ang gikuha? So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3, 12, plus 3, 15. While 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now the least common denominator is asa ang ilahang common ani mo ni ang denominator or ang LCD. So ang LCD is 6. Kay mo ni ang least common multiple nila. Okay? So let us change the denominator to 6 and 6. Okay? So next step is to divide this 6 divided by 3. Okay? And the result is 2. Okay? 2 times 1. Okay? So 2 times 1 is 2. Next is 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1. The result is 3. Okay? And so the last step is to add this the numerator. Okay, mong i-add ang iyahang numerator. So the numerators are 2 and 3. Just copy the denominator. So the denominator, just copy the denominator 6, and then 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. And then just copy the whole number. The whole number is 3. So the final answer is 3, 5/6. Okay, so let us proceed to another example. 2/5 plus 4 and 1/3. And so just add the whole number, this one. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. And then just copy the 2/5 and 1/3. Okay, so let us find first the denominator. So 5, just write 5 and 3. The multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. While 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Okay, so the least common denominator or least common multiple is 15. So their denominator is 15. Okay, and so the next step is to divide this. 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 1. The result is 5. Okay, let's proceed to the last step. Ang last step is imuhang i-add ang inyong numerator and copy the denominator. Kaya pareha naman sila og denominator 15 and 15. Kopyahon na nimo ang 15. Okay? And so 6 plus 5 is 11 and then the whole number is 7. Just copy the whole number here. And that's why the answer is 7/11 over 15. So no need to simplify this one because naana siya sa iyang simplest form. Okay? So that's all.